The ADA, a client for life? I'm John Laspina, your carnivore teacher, and today we're going to talk about diabetes and the ADA. The American Diabetes Association is true to its name. It wants you to associate with diabetes for life. But what if you could leave the club for good? The harsh truth is that the ADA tells type 2 diabetics to keep eating sugar and carbs. Their goal, manage your diabetes. Translation, stay sick, just less dangerously. Why? Because if you manage your diabetes instead of reversing it, you become a lifetime customer of medications, glucose monitors, doctor visits, the entire sick care system. Think about it. If the ADA really wanted you well, why recommend a diet that created the disease in the first place? Enter the American Diabetes Society, founded by Dr. Ken Berry and other doctors who actually help people get off medicine. This group teaches the truth. Type 2 diabetes is reversible for most people through a low-carb or even a carnivore way of eating. No sugar, no seed oils, no processed carbs, no insulin spikes. You have a choice. Follow the ADA and stay diabetic, stay medicated, stay dependent, or join the ADS, the American Diabetes Society, and learn the science. Change your diet, go into remission, and stay there. The ADA wants you to manage diabetes, but the ADS wants you to leave it behind. Don't settle for being a client for life. Become your own success story. If you like this message, click the thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, Carnivore Teacher, but also check out the American Diabetes Society by Dr. Ken Berry. I will leave the contact information in the show notes of this video. And if you're a type 1 diabetic, there is a place for you as well in the ADS. Have a great day, everybody.